Hi there, students. To recur means to happen again, to occur again, reoccur, recur. So the noun, a recurrence, and as an adjective, either recurring or recurrent. So to recur, to happen again. If this behaviour recurs, I will have to punish you. If there is a reoccurrence of this behaviour, I will punish you. This must not be recurrent behaviour. We can use it to talk about something that returns to your mind or to your attention again and again. The thought that something was wrong kept recurring to her. It came back again and again. Or something that comes up again repeatedly in conversation. The question of my bad grades at school recurred at every meal. Either my father or my mother asked me what I was going to do about them. It was a recurring question. A problem or a situation can recur. This is a recurring problem, and we must find a solution to it. Notice to recur also has the idea of happen again at regular intervals, periodically. In mathematics, a number that repeats at the end of a decimal fraction is called recurring. So if we divide 1 by 3, the answer is 0.333 recurring. 333, it recurs. It comes again and again and again. Malaria is a disease that recurs. It comes back. Okay, we can also use recur in another way, but this is quite formal and not very common nowadays. It means to have access to as a last resort, to go to a source for help in a difficult moment. He recurred to his brother for moral support. The company can always recur to the bank for extra funding. Go back to the bank is the idea. To use as a backstop. He recurred to me for advice because he didn't know what to do. Okay, so it's to go to somebody, asking them for help when you're in trouble, to utilize a resource. I had to recur to my savings to pay the bills. But notice this is quite formal and a bit old-fashioned, but you certainly can use it. So to recur, to repeat. Oriental carpets often have a recurring motif. A particular design appears again and again and again on the carpet. The idea of the innocence of children is a recurring theme in his book. He keeps returning to this idea. I keep having this recurrent nightmare, this recurring nightmare. Every night I have the same nightmare. It comes back again. So to recur, to happen again, particularly periodically at regular intervals. To come to mind again and again. To come up in conversation or in a book or as a subject. A situation or a problem recurs again and again. and then maths, a recurring number. And then you can recur to something, go to something to use it as a resource. Notice in this case it's to recur to somebody or something. Okay, to recur is a regular verb. The problem recurred. This problem has recurred several times. I would give this verb to recur a 5 in formality. I think maybe recurring as well a 5 in formality. Recurrence and recurrent probably 6 in formality. But you can use all of these in an informal conversation. However, to recur to the bank, to recur to your father for financial help, this is a much more formal use, and probably 7.5 in formality. I think informally, go to, ask for something from somebody. Okay, what about the origin? Well, in Latin we have a verb recurro, meaning to run back. So this idea of going to somebody for help, you run back to daddy and ask him to help you. Please help me. Please sort this out for me. So to recur, to happen again and again, to come to your mind again and again, to come up in conversation or in a book as a theme, a recurring problem, a recurrent problem, or mathematically a number that repeats. So there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Recur, recurrence, recurrent, recurring.